Hey, this is the shack that Dennis built, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your sprayer. You have a sprayer in your sink that's not working well. We're going to take that sprayer and all we're going to do is replace it. But before we do that, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if you want to get updates on everything that I show. So check out all these dirty dishes in the video. So when you turn this thing on, you can see it's broken. And there's no repairing that. That's just going to have to be a replace. Oh, it's spraying everywhere. Spraying everywhere. Oh yeah, and then look, I'm repairing something else, and look what I've done. There's a leak underneath there now. Good job. So I've been to my local Ace store for replacements, and all I need to replace on this one is the handle. So the rest of it is good. I'm going to unscrew that handle and screw the new one on, and we'll be ready to go. That's off. Unscrew the new one. All right, so this is what it looks like. And then we just screw it back on, just like that. The guy guaranteed me it'd fit, and it's not going to either, is it? Let's check it the other way around. See whether, okay, that fits. Okay, so what's the issue with this then? Okay, so this has got this, and this came with this, whereas this came with this. So why? Oh, because that has, okay. You got one of those up there already. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. So we're figuring this out as we go. Real expensive tool, pull this out. We don't need two of those in there. We just need one of them. Okay, so we've got one in there already. Now, oh, look at that. Now it screws on just like it's supposed to. And just like that, we've got the new one on. Now let's test this sprayer out. We got water coming through there. And that is how you put on your new handle on your sprayer. This is the shack that Dennis built. Thanks for watching.